Guys, and welcome back to another Foodie Friday review. So today we're doing a limited edition Mountain Dew, and this is the Star Spangled Splash. So the past few years running, Mountain Dew has put out like a limited red, white, and blue collection that's only out for about a minute and then it's gone. Like each July, for 4th of July, at least here in America, I can't speak for elsewhere, you blink and you miss them. Every year consistently I have missed them. Until this year. So I'm really excited to actually get to try them this year. I found all three completely by chance. I wasn't even actively looking this year and just tripped on them basically. So they're all different flavors, but I'm gonna do them in the red, white, blue order just because OCD, I guess. So anyway, this one describes itself as dew with a blast of red berry flavor and other natural flavors. What is red berry? That is open to interpretation. That could be a lot of things. So, contains no juice. Nutrition facts, serving size 1 bottle, calories 270, no fat, 85 milligrams of sodium, 72 grams of carbs, 72 grams of sugars, 72 grams of added sugars for 144% of your daily value. Whoops. And no protein. The ingredients list is carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, natural flavor, citric acid, gum arabic, sodium benzoate, which preserves the freshness, caffeine, sodium citrate, red 40, glycerol, ester of rosin, calcium disodium EDTA to protect the flavor. So basically, good dang thing that I found this when I did, because as of next year, I think red 40 is banned in California, so thank God I found it when I did. So, anyway. But yeah, so I'm loving, like, the stars and the firecrackers, fireworks aesthetic on the label. But what we're really here for is to try it. So we're just gonna try it. Not as big of a fizz as I was expecting for Mountain Dew. It doesn't smell that different from Mountain Dew. It's like, scent-wise, this reminds me of, like, one of the past summer ones that I've tried, but I'm blanking on which one it was. But scent-wise, it smells very similar, but, like, with a hint of strawberry, like, artificial strawberry. So let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. Interesting. So it still very much tastes like Mountain Dew at its base core of it, which, you know, I'm not the biggest Mountain Dew fan, not gonna lie, but I mean, when they're the flavored ones, I can kind of hang with it better, but, so it's that, but, definitely artificial strawberry coming through strong in it. I'm trying to tell if there's any other red berries or if it's just strawberry, and if it is just strawberry, why wouldn't you just say that? Because it's kind of giving the inclination that it might be strawberry, cherry, raspberry. Any of the red berries are up for grabs here. They could have been included, but I'm not really getting that. I'm just getting strawberry, and thank God I love strawberry, so I'm not complaining, but I was kind of expecting something more than that. It's not an overpowering flavor, it's not overly sweet, because I know sometimes with Mountain Dew it can be, like, disgustingly sweet. Especially just on its own, it really, really is. And artificial strawberry tends to get that way when in soda form, so, but somehow mixed together, I don't know if it's like the citric bite from the Mountain Dew side is taking out some of the over-the-top sweetness of the artificial strawberry, but it does balance it in a way, which is kinda nice. So I don't hate this, but it's not quite what I was expecting either. But to be fair, I am happy that if it's only one of the berries, that it is strawberry over any of the other ones, because that would be my favorite one, predictably, so. Yeah, I don't know. I'd like to hear what anybody else who's tried this thinks. Did you get mostly strawberry from this, or did you pick up on other stuff that I'm just not getting out of it? So, well, to be fair, it did not make any claims other than being red berry, which, again, open to interpretation. The blue one claims to be 50 flavors in one, so I don't know how exactly that's going to turn out, but we're doing that one last of the three. But regardless, Rating for this one, it's fine. I mean, I feel like I would grab it again another time or two. I mean, it wouldn't be like a fave that I would buy over and over and over again. Maybe a couple of times, but it's not that different. I feel like there have been other sodas that have tasted like this, so it's like, it's like a little limited edition 4th of July thing that's only there for a minute anyway. It's totally fine. But as far as like a number rating, maybe like a 3 out of 5. Like, it's fine. It doesn't taste bad, but it's also not that special the way that I was expecting it to be something really unique, but it is what it is. So anyway, that is it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.